Hi, I'm Elijah with OEE Intellisuite. Today, we are going to be looking at OEE Work Tracker and how it interacts with a powerful Industry 4.0 tool, the virtual station. The first thing that is important to understand with OEE Work Tracker is that everything is within the firewall. No data leaves your facility, everything remains on-premise and in your control. Let's dive into how OEE Work Tracker works. We'll start by looking at the virtual station. What is a virtual station? A virtual station is a way to track small areas of production that wouldn't otherwise be covered by a hardware device, like the Voron XL. Let's say you have an automated machining line tracked by your devices, but at the end of that line, you have a manual assembly station where workers assemble and package the final products. This assembly station takes up production time, but any data you gather from it is separate from your production data, making analyzing it difficult. That's where the virtual station comes in. Here's how it works. When you create your virtual station, you'll name it and configure certain settings, like whether to allow a queue of jobs. Once it's created, your operators can punch in to use the virtual board. They can add inputs, rejects, and track their progress. Then, with OEE Pulse and Explorer, you can view and get alerted on data from your entire manufacturing floor, all in one place. Every factory has lines or stations that aren't worth buying a Voron board for, but you still want to track the data. That's why we built virtual stations. The next feature is employee tracking. OEE Work Tracker enables operators to clock in and out of jobs. You can also punch in secondary employees and maintenance technicians. This allows you to keep track of where your team is spending their time and get per job labor hours with fine-grained reporting on employee punches. Reject and reason codes. Rather than having to scan in a reason code or reject code, allow your operators to easily one-touch add these codes. Our large format buttons and big, easy-to-tap reason codes allow the operator to quickly log these codes to your system without all the hassle. Downtime Management. Set up downtime thresholds per device to disallow operators from clocking out with a missing reason. This feature helps the manager control how long a downtime can go unexplained. Another feature is the extended downtime reason form. For a downtime that passes the extended reason threshold on a given device or job, require additional explanation and additional data entry for the specific down reason. And finally, compatibility. Work Tracker is compatible with V1 and V2 boards. All of OEE Intellisuite's products are fully compatible with both versions of Voron and any data collected from your virtual stations. Historical data is stored for each board and station, allowing you to compare and track long-term improvements and production. If you need to convert any older V1 data into the new V2 format, check out our Data Converter, a streamline tool for upgrading your data to the new schema. If OEE Work Tracker seems like it's a fit for you, we encourage you to take advantage of our 30-day free trial. Contact us at oeeintellisuite.com/contact us. Thanks for watching.